Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to build a navigation bar using HTML and CSS. So the first thing we're gonna do is to first create a folder. So as you can see on the screen of my laptop, so I'll just I'll first of all create a folder. So I will just right click, I'll go to new, I'll go to folder, then I'll give my folder a name. So in this case I will name it HTML HTML2 because I have a folder already. So after creating this folder, just take it to this place. So as you can see on the screen of my laptop, you can see VLC code here. So actually I opened it already. So what I'm gonna do is to go to my VLC code. Um, you can as well use Sublime Text and other editing tools aside from the Visual Studio Code. So for me to access the folder just created, so I will just go to File. Yeah, I'll click on the file. Then I will go to Open Folder. So as you can see, so these are the different folders I've created. So I will just go to this particular folder, HTML2. I'll click on it, and then I'll click on Select Folder. So I'll wait for it to load. So as you can see, I'll just go ahead and close this because I don't need that. So after this, what I'm going to do next is to go to this new file. So I will just click on it, and then I will type text.html. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is to build some HTML elements by using HTML tags. So the first thing I'm going to do is to type HTML. So I can go ahead and write different HTML tags. But in this case, I don't want to waste time. So I will just show you the short form. So what you're going to do to access HTML tags is for you to hold down your Shift key and the hyphen key on your keyboard. So it's going to bring that, just tap Enter key. So it's going to bring out this. So just not to waste time, I will just explain a little bit of this. So you see the title, the head section of it. So this is where you can actually on the title part, you change the title of your document, so you can give it any name you want. But if you want to like kind of create any website, anything you're going to do on the HTML, so you usually do it on on the body part or the body tags. So I will just go ahead and create some HTML elements. So I will start with the navigation bar. Um, so um, so the list tag. So I'll add the href tag. In this case, I'm going to define it to the page, and I'll give it different. I'll start with home. I'm going to copy this, or let's say I'm going to duplicate it. So, but first I'm going to copy. So I'll go ahead and that should be about, and this one should be contact. So allow us to see what I'm doing. So just go ahead and open, click, you right click and click on open with live server. So for you to access this, just go to the plugins um, icon here, and then you download live server. So we'll just go ahead and do that. So just reduce this and also reduce this so you can see what I'm doing. So far, um, I'll just go ahead and add a logo, but I don't have any logo icon yet. So what I'm going to do is to add let any name to it. So in this case, I'll go to href, then I'll give it a definition. So the reason why I use the number sign is for me to link it to that particular page. So if you actually click on the link, it's not going to go anywhere. For example, if you click here, so it's not going to take you to any particular page. So I'll just go ahead and I will say remember, remember, or save, and you can say that. So I will just move to the next item on the list. So if open, then I'll use H1. So I'll give it any heading like welcome to my website. Welcome to my website. I'll use paragraph in this case. So I'll use lorem 50, and I'll also add an image to it, a img tag. So you see the image. So you just click on the slash, tap on the image and select any of the image. So the reason why I could access image because I added image to my folder. So before you start building up any project, first of all, you just have to put your files in order, like put everything inside your folder before you open up your CVS code. So it will be to make life easy for you. So I'll just go ahead and refresh this. So far, you can see. So I'll copy this because I want to duplicate it 3 times. I'll change the images. So that looks nice. So I'll move to the next section. So it will be contact section. If um H1 contact. So in contact section, no, we use form. So form tag. So that will be the first thing I'm going to bring out. So the action I will use process.php. So we'll give it a method. So in method we have post and get. So in this case I'm going to use post, and then I'm going to save that. So I'll just go ahead and create the first form. I'll go to the label. I'll give it the first name. Input stack. So I'll just go ahead and copy this. I'm just going to duplicate that. So instead of first name, we'll change it to surname. So add break line tag to it. I'll paste again. So in this case, I will change to email. So just go ahead and save that. Add a break line tag, BR. So after email, I'm going to add a message area. So the label message. Then I'll go to text area. So in text area, I'll give it name, which is message, and give it any ID message. So it's been defined as column. So add a break line tag to it. This looks nice. So I'll add a summit. So in this case, I'll just go to input tag. So I'll just type summit. So as you can see, thanks for watching. See you. So that's it for today, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on the notification button